As you can see, something has taken up residence in my beautiful angel trumpet vine. As soon as you begin to see these signs of insect or larva feces or chewing and eating of the leaves, it's time to take immediate action. Go ahead and dilute a very simple solution of perhaps a teaspoon of dish soap, a teaspoon of cooking oil, and a teaspoon of rubbing alcohol into a full-size bottle, a spray bottle with water, and spray till runoff. If you think that it needs more or a stronger solution, I would recommend geranium oil, neem oil, or perhaps even something called pummerythrum. And this has been Gretchen the Green Lady, encouraging you to subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on Facebook, like, comment, and share, and get out there and enjoy your gardens and get your hands dirty.